Alright Glampers, hope you're well. Just going to get a couple of bits to do the boat up. Getting my crotch cover from Craft Upholstery so I can get that fitted onto the boat, ready for winter. I'm taking the stove out of the boat as well, because I'm just not convinced that's safe at all. So I'm going to take that out. I've ordered a new stove, so I'm going to get somebody to fit that in properly, professionally. I'm not going to mess about with that. Then some other bits and bats I'm doing at the back of the boat. It's just like an open plan boat, and it's just got this big space that's for a bed. So I'm going to take that out and then turn that into a dinette area, so seats on both sides that I can put fold the cushions down and have a bed. So there's just not a bed there permanently. So I'll put back in when I start all that. Right, just picked up the crotch cover, so that's all in the back now. Did a really good job of that, so I'm just going to pick all my other bits up from the unit and try and put that back together. So Craft Upholstery, 30 quid, that's all they charge me for that. I've got part of it on now. Like a renter in Krypton Factor trying to sort this out. Hey, I'm on telly. Just got the side bits to fit now, but with everything I've just lost one of them. But all the nuts and bolts and screws and everything, when it came off, I thought to myself, right, I'm gonna be a bit intelligent with this one and put them all in a separate tub. So I put them all in a separate tub, all the screws and bolts and everything, and then yeah, they all dropped on the floor, so they're all in there somewhere, all in that lot. So yeah, it's been a bit of a task, but at least now it'll stop the rain coming into the back, so I'm happy with this for now anyway. And then I can sort the sides out afterwards. Let's have a look around. What? Don't you shout at me. Don't you shout at me, young lady. This is where the fire was. Thank God I took it out. Look at this. It was just an accident waiting to happen. So this were under here, there were some of the ceramic tile that were on the bottom of here, and it had all cracked. So when I took the fire out and the flue, came face to face with this. So it was only a matter of time if I had the blooming boat set on fire. I'll give you a little look at the boat so far anyway, so still a lot to do. So that's sleeping area down here. Hello little Lemmy. Hello little Lemmy. So yeah, I've been busy getting stuff done. Bought this off Facebook Marketplace. How nice is that? It's lovely, isn't it, that? Got my little candle holders. Little decorated skull. But, crikey, nearly didn't have anything. Go to Scrapyard. I'm not even sure this were a multi-fuel stove. I don't know anything about them, but why would it have like a gas pipe on it? So I think it's a converted gas fire that's been put in there and been used as a multi-fuel stove. Wow. Responded to a post on Facebook Marketplace saying wood free, dismantle, take it away. So we're perfect, it's in really good condition. So I'll be able to make the bed frame out of this, and whatever's left I can use for firewood when the stove gets put in. They're all stripped down. Perfect for making the bench in the boat now, so just see if I can get it in Glamper van. Brilliant. Told me wood. Plenty to do what I need to do inside there, and then I won't have to buy any firewood for a long time either. But crotch cover looks a lot better, doesn't it, now that that's on there. Well happy with that. Apparently it's leaking from that runs up there, that's all corroded. So yeah, so that's what we're causing this to sink. Sank twice. That's why I've got that spot over there. So well, as soon as it fixed this, I'll be kicked off my mooring spot. So might have to poke a few more holes in. I've made a start. I've pulled the bed out. So the bed went all the way across here. So I've started pulling it all out. So like I mentioned earlier, just going to continue these bench seats here all the way down on both sides. And then what I can do then, when at night time, I can just with these cushions that are at the back and these, just pull them out, put some lats across here, and it'll have a bed. So it's just not a bed there all the time. I need to get this done for New Year's Eve because I've got some friends that go for a little cruise on canal, go through a couple of locks and stuff. So is it now? It's day before Christmas Eve now. So obviously Christmas Eve tomorrow. Get Christmas out of the way, Boxing Day, and then come back and get these seats up, get it all cleaned up, and I'll be ready for a cruise. I've also taken the fire out and extended, let's have a look, and extended this fireplace because it was too narrow as well. So it had a cupboard here. This was shoved to this side, so it was just too close. Everything about that fire was just accident waiting to happen. So I bought this brand new one, and it is now, obviously doesn't line up with the flue pipe, so I'm going to get to come and sort that out. And then I've got to tidy up all this back of it then. Take these ceramic tiles and stuff on them, just make that all nice. So I've got that to do, and cover's done, so I'm happy with that. But what I'm going to do, I've got stay at me got enough footage already, so I'm going to stick all this together and I'll get this uploaded. I really do appreciate everyone that's watching me, helping the channel to grow as well. I think I'm only 2 subscribers now off 100, so thank you very much for that. I really do appreciate it. And if I can get this up Christmas or day after Christmas anyway, that'd be brilliant, and then I can just start making another video then for the next one, and that'll be when the fire is fit, when this is done. And I might even some footage of New as well, going on the canal with friends. But have a brilliant Christmas, Boxing Day, Happy New Year, and thank you very much for subscribing, and for all those others that are watching that haven't subscribed, why not? Just click the button. Don't cost anything. I have spoke to people and said, oh, I'm not subscribing, it costs money and this and other. It don't cost a penny. Just click that subscribe button. If you like what I'm doing, it'll just encourage me to just carry on and do more stuff then. So anyway, enough of that begging. Have a brilliant one, and I'll catch you later on.